What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on LCID ticker. And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this company. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here, at this point, right after they posted their earnings report, and it had this massive sell-off for about 13%, and I've told you that we have two major support lines. One of them was at $24.25, and the main one is right here. It is the red line, and it is the price point of $21.96. And this line, let me switch to 4 hours time frame. This red line is the major support line because it is the bottom of our third wave, as you can see right here. And if we break this range to the downside, and technically we've already have this breakout, but it was made on extended hours, and it's debatable, can you rely on this movement or not. And if we will break this range and close the candle below the price point of roughly $22.5, definitely it will invalidate the third wave to the upside, and this means we will see longer consolidation phase, longer period of consolidation, and we will see lower prices for Lucid, and we have to be prepared for this. And let's continue with the fundamental news. First of all, let me show you that all of the indexes are in red, and as you can see right here, stocks end week lower as Ukraine concerns outweigh strong jobs report. And as you can see, S&P 500 lost about 0.79%, Dow Jones lost about 0.5%, Nasdaq lost about 1.66%, and Russell 2000 lost about 1.55%. The crude oil price is at $115, and it gained about 6.81%. Definitely, oil crisis is on its way, and unfortunately, it is what it is. So, as you can see on a S&P 500 heat map, all of the tech stocks are in red and energy stocks are in green. Definitely, they are the most beneficial stocks for now, and probably I will do a video about the setup for this stock in upcoming days. So, and let's continue with the Lucid Group data. We have this article that is titled "Lucid Group Falls Again as Analysts Reset Expectations." And let me quote you this. Morgan Stanley said expectations on Lucid Group have taken an important jump closer to reality after the bar was set lower for 2022 deliveries and cash flow, although shares are said to still be overvalued. Analyst Adam Jonas and team maintained that Tesla has a clear advantage over Lucid, with the EV automaker still in expansion and capacity build mode while it builds on a technological core competencies. The firm dropped its price target on LCID to $12 from $16, which works out to 10x the 2027 EBITDA estimate or 14x the 2030 price to earnings estimate. The price target also reps a post-SPAC low for the EV stock. And let me show you this information. We are on marketbeat.com, and right here you can see the latest data about price targets from analysts. And on March the 1st, Citigroup set its price target to $45, and the upside potential for Lucid is 55.28%. On March the 3rd, Morgan Stanley set its price target to $12, and it is 51% of downside potential on this stock. And definitely two major analysts made completely different forecast for this asset. And let me show you some interesting details. Right here, we are on fintel.io, and this website tracks the institutional investors in certain asset, and we are in Lucid stock. As you can see, on February 14th, Morgan Stanley made this filing, and they increased its position by 323,793%. And let me show you that previously they had only 566 shares of Lucid, and for now they own more than 1.83 million shares of Lucid. And definitely it is a huge increase. And let me show you that if you divide the value of their position, $69.7 million, by number of shares, their average price will be at $38 price point. And it is the golden pocket pattern right here. And I've told you that this range, when we had this price action, the range above the $35 will be the major accumulation point for the institutional and retail investors. And as you can see, it happened. And at this point, Morgan Stanley added heavily to their position. But right now, we don't have the most recent information about their position, because they can sell this huge stake in Lucid, and we will see the filing right here only about 45 days after the execution date. But all in all, I don't think that Morgan Stanley closed the entire position. It's just difficult to assume, but it is what it is. We have this information. And let me show you that Citigroup on February the 10th added heavily to its position, and for now they own about 362,000 shares, and previously they owned only 11.3 thousand shares. So definitely Citigroup is in line with their forecast, and they set its price target for about $45. So all in all, I have to say that we have a lot of red flags for now for this asset. And right here, you can find this article on Motley Fool, and I will put the link on this article in the description below. And it's titled 7 Red Flags for Lucid Group's Future. And I want to pay attention only on key points, and you can read the entire article by yourself, and you have to know the entire picture of upsides and downsides related to this company. So, Lucid's fourth quarter revenues fell woefully short of analysts' expectation. It reduced its delivery goal for 2022 and delayed its Gravity SUV. Its losses are widening as it faces tough supply chain challenges. So definitely a lot of red flags for now for this company, but all in all, they also have some green flags, and definitely it is their amazing vehicle. Next one is the upcoming plant in Saudi Arabia and their new assembly line in Arizona. And definitely, in the long term, I think this asset is quite attractive, but for now, we have to be extremely cautious. So let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, as already mentioned in my previous video, it is not the best point where you can add your swing trade position, but for those of you who were risky enough, I've told you that you could accumulate at this range, and your stop loss should be slightly below the previous bottom. It is quite big stop loss, but we had decent chances to have a bounce. Unfortunately, it didn't happen, and for now we are retesting this range of support, and if we will break it, definitely it will be a major bearish sign for a lot of investors, and we will see a massive sell-off to the downside. That's why you have to be cautious, but if your investment horizon is more than 1.5 or 2 years, you can accumulate your position all the way down, because in the long run, I believe that this company will hit its targets, and definitely in the long run, I think it will be one of the leaders of the luxury sector of electric vehicles. So I think from the technical standpoint, that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!